French President Emmanuel Macron visited Greenland on June 15, 2025, in a historic show of European unity and solidarity with Denmark amid ongoing tensions triggered by former U.S. President Donald Trump's repeated threats to acquire the Arctic territory. Macron's visit, the first by a foreign leader since Trump's controversial remarks about obtaining Greenland, was intended to send a clear message that Greenland is not for sale and that its future lies in the hands of its people and Denmark. During a stop in Nuuk, Macron emphasized the importance of respecting Greenland's sovereignty and territorial integrity, while highlighting cooperation on Arctic security, climate change, and economic development. The French president's presence underscored Europe's resolve to counter any form of predation on the resource-rich island and reinforced Denmark's strategic position in the North Atlantic. This diplomatic move also reflected broader European concerns about U.S. assertiveness in the Arctic and the need for stronger alliances in the region. Thank you for watching. Stay updated by following our Facebook and WhatsApp channels for the latest news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily updates.